What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. It's good to see you all here. Normally I don't do this, but now I had to make a video in the evening for all my American viewers. First of all, welcome to the channel. Second of all, I know it's not evening for you, but for me it is. I never make videos here, but or at this point of time. But I had to. Congratulations to all the XRP holders. We've been talking about a move like this for quite a long time, but personally, or at least, I mean, we were talking about if there was any news about our summary judgment that we would get a move up to like 70 cents, 65 cents perhaps. But this is amazing. Personally, I think this absolutely looks beautiful. XRP back in that top 4 where it belongs. I think XRP is more valuable and more important than BNB. But all right, that's enough talking about that. In this video, we will talk about the price. I'll give you the news. Obviously, you already know what happens, but I have a little bit of a different view on it, I think, than most of the crypto world right now. I see YouTubers and crypto Twitter left and right screaming that XRP is not a security. That's actually not the outcome of the news. It's a partial victory, and it's exclusively about the initial sale of XRP. So I don't want to ruin the party. But we have to stay realistic, right? And that's what you'll get at this channel. If you're new, if you are interested in gaining knowledge about new crypto gems, potential cryptos with potential that have already launched, and daily analysis, consider subscribing. But for now, let's get right into XRP. And by the way, I also have my own Signal group, but check that out if you're interested in trading. Otherwise, let's get right into it. So, like I said, great news. What is sad is that the sale of Ripple's XRP tokens did not constitute investment contracts, which was, I do have to say, it's one of the key points of the whole lawsuit that the SEC started. But right now, legal experts, like I tried to say at the beginning as well, suggest the ruling falls short of settling the question of whether and under what circumstances a digital asset meets the definition of a security under US law. So in general, for US assets for crypto assets, not too much is known yet. It will probably mean that Ripple wins the lawsuit, which is great, but it's perhaps not as great of news for the whole crypto market as we think at this point of time. Doesn't matter, the whole market is still very bullish, and that's also what we see in the price right now. So if we talk about the price of XRP, to get into that, because I know most of you are interested in that, so sorry that it took quite some time, but we rallied a lot, practically shot through 65 and 70 cents as a resistance. We're, by the way, looking at the daily time frame, so right now we hit levels we hit for the last time on the 28th of March of 2022, so this is absolutely amazing news, all right? I mean, we're at the same levels as we were the 4th of December, when I practically started this channel, so it's absolutely beautiful to see something like this. We hit quite a major resistance level at 90 cents. So what's happening probably right now, and for that we're actually going to go to the 1 hour time frame, or let's actually go to the 15, because what has happened now probably is that we had a minor pullback to some sort of a Fibonacci level. Here you can see we pulled back to like 78 cents, but altogether we've actually, like right now we're at around the 236 Fib. Because what I think is going to happen is I still expect $1 and 1.05. I think there's a huge magnet to that level. I think we're going there. It also has some significant Fibonacci extension levels, which are your best friend when you're trying to figure out the main resistance right now. So that's the main level we're aiming for. Now, I'm not saying we cannot go higher than that, but getting higher than that is going to be quite difficult. Because then you're getting in bull market territory, which we are definitely not in a bull market yet. And I also do not buy into the idea that this news, when most of the Western world is heading into a recession, that this news will cause some sort of a new bull market. I don't think so. Next price target after $1 and 1.05 is 1.15 and 1.2. But like I said, Fibonacci extension and Fibonacci retracement are your best friends right now. So what I would do personally is go to the 1 hour time frame or 15-minute time frame. And what you'll need to look out for is that we do not go further than the 382 Fib. So right now you can see that the 382 Fib is still very far away, right? So the 382 Fib is around 75 cents, which is actually not that far away right now. But as long as we stay on top of that, we're fine and we can actually go higher. So I think we will still get to that level around $1 and 1.05. If from there we stay above this level between 90 cents and 85 cents, then I also do think we can get up to 1.15 and 1.2. But that's something we'll have to see. That's something we'll see over the next 12 hours, next 16 hours, and then we can get some sort of a better judgment, because I do think that between these levels, between 90 and $1.05, I do think between there we will actually see some sort of a temporary stop in price. All right. So for now, that's what I expect. More bullish momentum up to 1.05 and $1. Doesn't necessarily need to happen, but that is what I expect. From there, I think a pullback down to 90 and 85 cents. And from there, we will have to gauge how much support and how much momentum we get. And from there, we'll have to see whether we can get up to 1.2 and 1.15 or whether it's more likely to get some sort of a pullback. So I'll be back with another video next morning, which will be a little bit shorter than this one because 6 minutes is not my usual video time, but it was needed. So for now, everybody have a good night. If you're in Asia or the Middle East, go to bed, man. It's too late. I know you want to stay up with these prices, but go to bed. If you're from the US, have a good evening. Have a great dinner, probably, maybe. West Coast, East Coast, well, East Coast and West Coast, probably. And everybody from Europe, have a great evening. So bye, and I'll see you tomorrow.